Hey, hi, my name is Karam.
Hello, I'm Neha. We are here at the Hallmark Sunnyside, Hyderabad. So I would say Decorpot was my first and last stop solution. So the moment we signed this house, the first thing that came up to my mind was who is the interior designer. And then we have visited Decorpot first and we got the quotation. And with that quotation, we have been to almost all the vendors in the market. And then after looking at all the quotations, the material, the quality and everything, we have chosen Decorpot as our interior designer.
After purchasing the house, then we reached out to different vendors. So once we went to Decorpot, so salesperson they showed us different of wood types, like what is MDF, what is BWR, BR, and all those things, and they explained different things. Then after that we reached to different vendors, so nowhere we found such type of detailed explanation and what is the benefits of this wood and everything. So with that we understood that Decorpot is best.
The communication was seamless, right from the design and the explanation and the sales and everything. We are actually very overwhelmed with the kind of response that Decorpot was there in all the phases, and it is beautifully designed into each phase, with each phase headed by a person like a project lead, where we can reach out with all our concerns. So I think it was seamless experience.
Not only till project, after project also we got so many help from, so much of help from Decorpot. Like there were some few issues, we just reach out to them. Within one day they came and they fixed all the issues. Coming to final outcome, as we can see the 3D images and final outcome, we were unable to see the differences between both of them. Both were exactly like same.
So, and the finishing is also absolutely great. I would say we were quite apprehensive to choose. We didn't know if it is the modular finish is good or the carpenter finish was good. But then when we are actually very glad that we chose modular finish, because it is actually the spacing and everything is perfectly set. And on a long run, I would suggest modular is much better than the carpenter work. My favorite place is almost everything, but then in specific, I like the vanity area, where it enhances the beauty of the house.
So we like the Decorpot work. So in my office and wherever I go, if someone is coming to, if someone has taken new purchase or anything, whenever they ask for any recommendation, my first recommendation is Decorpot. So even 2 persons I already referred and they are also very happy. They are awesome in their job.
So I would suggest Decorpot is like our apartment's favorite. So anyone and everyone looks like the model house is not seen anymore. People come to our house and then they have the interior checks done. They look at all the detailing that the Decorpot has done to utilize space properly. I would say after you have kids, you need to have space. That is one thing. And then our designer Haima was very patient enough to cater to all our needs. Now I don't have any clutter at my place, even though I have kids who are like the naughtiest of all. So then my space looks very beautiful, unlike what we faced, all the challenges that we had in our previous house. So now it's absolutely beautiful. I would immensely thank the team Decorpot for giving us this beautiful house. Thank you.